So today's a pretty special day. I'm pretty excited about it. Should we tell them, Shannon?
Don't tell me, Anton.
Well, we're looking at the back of your head. Should we tell them though?
Well, I think they'll figure it out by the title of the video.
What, that a new piece of equipment's coming in?
Yep.
Anyhow, so it is going to be a really special day. I've been looking forward to this upgrade for many years. I've been bugging Shannon, and finally we have pulled the trigger on one.
Finally, you stopped listening to my no.
Yes, kind of. No, not really. We need one because we are backed up in that particular department, big time. Like we are losing clients because of it.
I'm depressed, man.
So we just opened up the shop, and the package is supposed to arrive somewhere between 11 and 4 o'clock. I'm really impressed with how fast this thing. Darn you! I'm impressed with how fast this package is actually arriving. So I'm just anxious for it to show up and unload it from the truck and get it into the shop. We've cleared a little bit of space for it. However, we might need to move the cooler as well. I don't know how big this machine's going to be. Man, it is just busy today. But I think that might be enough room. We'll see. We still have space to scoot this fridge over. We plan on doing some other things to kind of consolidate our lunchroom. At this point, all I can really do is wait. Mario's just about to show up. Oh, let me show you something cool that we did yesterday. Look at that. We finally hung our sign. That was an adventure. I probably should have filmed that because it was pretty hilarious. But we got her done, and I don't know if you can see it, but and I'm happy with the way it looks. Mario showed up. It's Mario! Oh, they showed up. All right. One of the things we were concerned about, even though they did tell us, they got a lift gate, so that'll make things easier. A lot easier. Good deal. Pick it up with one hand. Yeah. Just muscle that on in there. Well, that was really fast and easy. Roll it out, came down off the lift, dropped it here. Sign the paperwork, and now it's time to get it to the shop. Well, we're gonna go ahead and sniff this and see what we need to take out of here to bring it in.